Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change ringtone in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5, the ringtone in our alarm. So first we have to access our alarm options. We can do it by accessing our main menu here and tapping clock. Here's our alarm. Or we can just tap a clock widget that is on the home menu. Now, we have our alarm set right here. To change ringtone, we have to tap these little three dots here, and here is a little hidden menu. So, settings, and we can now change alarm sound. Let's use this one. It's pretty loud. We can also add vibration, change vibration type. And our alarm sound is now changed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.